it's at that temperature where it's not beneficial. Look at these idiots just running up on the plows. Come on. They're lit up like Christmas trees. You can see them from a kilometer away. Just take her easy, people. It's a little bit better here. It's still what I would classify as a blizzard. I better go get some company. Probably guess where I am right now. That's right, the Boondockers paradise here. But this seems to be the side that they prefer the RVs to sit. It's tucked way at the back here. Behind another truck. There's an RV there. I have no idea if there's people in it or not. I'm assuming so though. You can't just leave your RV at Walmart. So technically not the only one here. Is that vehicle blocking that trailer? Interesting. Just about to throw on a podcast, lay down, have a bit of shut-eye here, let the plows do their work. It's -7 outside right now, which is 19 degrees Fahrenheit.
That they've considered, and this has actually become a bigger thing in the COVID crisis, where we start talking about like contact tracing. These companies want to know where everybody is at all the time so they can hand this over to medical authorities or whatever. There's this idea called end-to-end encryption, which what it means is that when you send a message, you know, when Billy sends a message to Bobby,
Talk about a rough gig. I think those cars can wait till tomorrow, can't they? I feel kind of bad. Second beverage. Just finished up a pod. Put on a second podcast and call her a night. Middle of the night, woke up and checked the news. They're calling this a historic storm. So if I put that in the title, that's not clickbait. Van life during a historic storm. They've got some flooding going on in New York. I'm just across the border in Canada here, right across from Buffalo, New York, and they've got the same stuff going on. Flights canceled all around the country, both countries. All good in the van. Okay. It's not looking any better today, that's for sure. The screen went funky on the diesel heater too. It's done that before. Oh. That's weird, you push on it and it goes away. I just kicked the diesel heater onto high gear. Try and warm it up completely in here. Holy crap. Yeah, it's still a full blizzard. was an intense night. And it doesn't look like it's letting up. It's getting worse by the hour, I'd say, even. I gotta go find some diesel. That's gonna be a pain. Opening those back doors and filling up with diesel. Hopefully I can face the van away from the blizzard, because it's just gonna fill the entire back of the van. So that's something to think about, if you can have a separate jerry can to fill, if you need to fill inside, which I never really wanted to have the tank inside, but here we are. Man, it's bad. Well, not far to go now. Oh, there's another guy filming this blizzard. Yeah, this is ridiculous. Oh my goodness. That's intense. Look at this dragged. Oh, two on this side. I knew it was a matter of when, not if, for this transmission, so I guess, you know, here we are, but still, kind of a weird feeling.